Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today, I want to highlight the Big Duck Gold, right here, and the Big Duck Yellow. 2019 All America Selection winners. There are 4 plants in here, and they average about 15 inches tall. And you can see I have 4 plants planted about 6 inches apart in a 1-foot square space. This is a fire ring. So there's no bottom in here, so the plants are growing into the earth. But these have to be almost 2 feet tall, bigger than their average size of 15 inches. But they are beautiful, large marigolds to really add a pop of color in your garden. And I use this right in my garden area. It brings in pollinators and good insects. I just want to show you the 4-inch flowers. They last for a long time, well beyond a week. The plant has great disease resistance, heat resistance. For the last 2 weeks, we've had easily 93-degree temperatures all the way up to 100 degrees. And you can see, oh, the butterfly flew away. There's a butterfly around. So it's going to bring in pollinators, good insects, and it's just absolutely beautiful. With the heat tolerance, the flowers last a nice long time. I've done very little deadheading here. There's one flower there. I think I saw another one in there. But just look at all the blooms. It's from 4 different plants. Rotated the yellow, the gold, the yellow, the gold. And it's really worth showing all the new heads, flower heads that are going to be coming up soon. I mean, it's packed. It can be hard to see the color difference in the bright sun between the gold and the yellow. Before I get to that, so it's going to bloom 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to get to about that size, and it's going to last for quite a long time. So this is the yellow right in here, and this is the gold. A little bit more orange in there. Absolutely beautiful marigolds. So if you need a marigold that does well in the heat, resist disease, the Big Duck AAS Winners for 2019 are definitely for your garden. They were bred by Ameriseed International, and I know I've already gone over this, but look at all the blooms coming out of these plants. They're about 60 days old from transplant, and they just bloom and bloom and bloom, and the flowers will last in your garden. Remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. And what that means is when you plant it, you're going to see why it won an award. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any YouTube ads. We just provide great videos on plant profiles and other garden videos to help you in your garden. Thanks for watching.